Hello, and thanks for checking out this video. This video is going to explain to you how to set up two-step verification for your Yahoo email. It is very important to set up two-step verification for your email accounts, no matter which one it might be. This particular case, we're going to do Yahoo. If you have a different account like Gmail or Outlook, please check out our video with regards to that particular account. This one is strictly dealing with Yahoo. Now, the reason we want to set up two-step verification is if someone tries to log in to your account from another location other than your computer, it will prompt a response for them to put in, whether it's your a code or from your phone that they will text you, or whether it's an answer to a security question, but some sort of validation that they are actually who they say they are, meaning that they are you. So if they don't have your cell phone or they don't have your security question, they will not be able to get in even if they guessed your password. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, and of course we use Firefox because it's less of an issue than Internet Explorer. So we're going to open up our Firefox and go on to our Yahoo. Okay, you can see right here that we're signed in to Yahoo. If you're not signed in, go ahead and sign into it. If you're on the mail page, that's fine. If you're not on the mail page, that's fine too. Either of the two sections, you'll see that there is an account info option. So if you're on the home page of Yahoo, you can just simply highlight your name with your mouse. Just hover over it with your mouse. Go down and click on account info. Or if you're in the mail already, then you can do the same thing. Come over to the little wheel, the little cog wheel on the right side, and go down to account info there. So either of the two places will get you to the same location. If you haven't signed in recently, it makes you sign in with your account password. And then up comes the account info page. Down here at the bottom of the listing here, there's an option that says set up your second sign-in verification. So we're going to click on that, and right over here it's going to say get started. If it doesn't say get started, if it has a bunch of information here, that means you've already done it, and that's great. Otherwise, if it's not set up, it will say get started. So we're going to click on get started. It's going to come up and say that you can use your current phone number that you have on the account if you've already got one, or you can add a different phone number. So since mine's already here, we're going to click use current phone. Okay, it's giving you a warning here that certain apps don't work with second sign-in verification. If you have an iPhone and you're using the iPhone mail, or if you're using a Droid phone and you're using their mail, or if you're using Outlook itself, they don't work with second sign-in verification. So you'll want to go through the process of setting up or generating an app-specific password. So in that case, you would click on this button and get that password taken care of. For now, I'm just going to skip now. And you'll notice that there's two options here for me to use with the second sign-in verification. I can allow it to either ask the security question or the mobile phone number. So they'll choose whether they're going to ask the person the security question or your phone number. Or I can simply use my phone number only. Sometimes security questions are easily figured out. So I typically would just use my mobile phone number because I always have my phone with me. And what will happen is it will send a code to the phone, and you'll have to enter that code into the system. Okay, then once you're finished, you can go back to the account info or even exit out completely. Now, one thing we want to make sure every single time we exit out or finish with our email, we want to come up here where our name is. Too many clicks here. There we go. The computer's having a little fun. If we hover over where our name is, we can then come down and sign out. We want to make sure that anytime we sign into the mail, we want to sign out of the mail. Very important, because otherwise you're leaving a potential portal open for a hacker that might currently be on your computer, or a bug that might be currently on your computer, to expose your email. So we definitely want to make sure that we have completely signed out and that we are no longer listed up here for anything like that to happen. Okay, that completes the tutorial on how to set up two-step verification.